Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Today, I am excited to show off the new Eaglemoss Hero Collector ship, the Sirena, from Star Trek Picard and the new Star Trek Universe series. Originally, I think it was going to be the Picard series of ships, but now it's going to be the Universe series, which is awesome. I love all the different things that Eaglemoss comes out with. This is actually the first Eaglemoss model that I'm going to own, so I'm really excited for it. They also sent me these pins, which are one of the ship itself and one of a really cool looking, I'm assuming it's supposed to be like the image regarding the decal of the ship. Actually, yeah, it's shown right there on the side. So that's really cool to see. I'm really excited to have those available. But overall, I'm really excited for just the Eaglemoss designs. I've seen them in stores and always wanted some of their models. They're really nicely detailed and they really are cool because they come with these magazines. So the first thing we're going to find is the official Starship Collection magazine that comes with it. And the nice thing about these magazines is they give you information about the ship. They give you a cool looking cover, how to put it together, specifications on the vessel. They give you some of the profiles, and I like being able to see the ship from different angles, which is really cool. These profiles just kind of give you so many details, which is really neat. I like the fact that you can see the La Sirena logo there. So that's really neat, the decal right there on the ship. Really excited to see that detail there along with the pin. The pin. Really like these profile looks. I also like the fact that they give you this concept art section where they talk about designing the ship. Really cool to see some of the concepts that came out for some of these vessels before they became the ship we see on TV or the big screen, just because of the fact that it's really neat to see that. And then like the concepts of how they draw out the ship's interior and kind of how they're visualizing it, if you will, and where the weapons might be, things like that. Really just a cool little booklet to give you that information. I really like these. And then just kind of the breakdown of what it came out to be. The next issue, which is going to be the Zheng He, I've already got it. I haven't opened it. That's going to be another video. I just wanted to get through this ship. I haven't had time to sit down and go through it, just because of shipping delays and things of that nature have really caused it to be hard to go through. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to open this up. We're going to see, we're going to see the ship. We're going to see a package with its stand and the base for the stand, which I really like. So I'm going to take out the base. The base is labeled on the bottom. The stand, and then the ship itself, which has amazing detail on it. Give me one moment here. I love the detail of the ship. I love the design. It's a nice weighted model. I'm used to the old plastic models that you had to assemble for Star Trek, but this kind of a casted iron model is really neat. I like the detailing. You can probably see the detailing of the hull right there. You've got the detailing there. I mean, all over you can see small logo there. Just from the pin, we can see we've got our landing gear, which is really cool. I like the detail on all these pieces. Love the detailing on the hull. It's really good. Really, like I said, a hefty, nice model. You got the engines back there, warp nacelles. Just overall, really nice ship, a really nice unit, and I'm really excited to display it. Real simple display method too. So you've just got two pieces here. This sits inside the base. Then we take the ship and we slot it in, and the ship sits. Now, the nice thing about it is it's kind of set at an angle, so the ship is actually pointing up like it's flying off into space. Really just like that display look. Really enjoy the time and effort that they put into these models. I'm really excited to see the Zhang He. Both of these being really new ships to Star Trek. It's great to see the new concepts, the evolution, especially the evolution when it comes to ship design for Starfleet, but also the greater world around Starfleet and the universe of Star Trek. I've been a Star Trek fan for many, many years. I'm very excited. Star Trek Picard was a great show. I enjoyed the plot. I enjoyed everything there. If you haven't seen it, seriously go watch it. It's really good. It takes place like 30 years after the last movie, which was Star Trek Nemesis. Very enjoyable, very unique styling, so I really like it. I like the idea of following just the one character, creating a new arc for it, and kind of showing the universe and how it's evolved, and talking about certain events and things like that. And of course, if you're familiar with Star Trek Discovery, you guys have probably seen even further into the future stuff that comes out, like the Voyager J and all those. And I know there's a Voyager J model from Eaglemoss that I want to get. I really want to look at that. But overall, just I like the model. I like the weight of it. I like the look of it. I enjoyed the little magazine that comes with it, and I look forward to collecting more of these ships and seeing these designs brought to life so that I can have them in my own home. If you guys like this video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this. I will be doing the Zhang He next. So first issue was La Sirena. Now the next issue is going to be Zhang He, and I don't know what the third issue will be. Hopefully I'll be getting that soon so I can get actually the Zhang He and the next ship up pretty soon. But in the meantime, like I say, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or things I can do better, definitely put them down below in the comments just so that I can evolve and adapt as needed. And I hope you guys enjoyed my little quick review here of the La Sirena and the new Hero collection ships from the Star Trek Universe group at Eaglemoss.